Hello friends and welcome back to my YouTube channel Crypto Boot. Hope you all are doing great. So finally I'm here to tell about the amazing project, but before starting the video, I would like to ask you that if you're new in my channel, so kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the further notifications. So let's just start the review. Before starting the video, I would like to ask you that I'm not the financial advisor, I'm just telling you about their amazing project, so do your own research. XSR token pre-sale. XSR token ICO starts in 3 days, 2 hours, 45 minutes and some seconds. You can also see their smart contract address from here. Sustainix Renewable Token ICO pre-sale. The SXR token initial coin offering ICO pre-sale commencing on September 6, 2024 present a unique opportunity for investors to engage in the renewable energy sector's best kept secret. By supporting and benefiting from our 7 years of groundbreaking research in renewable energy solution, specifically in permanent magnetic induction generators, investors can become part of a transformative movement towards sustainable energy. This participation not only contributes to a greener future, but also offers the potential for substantial return from this innovation. Groundbreaking technology. Many so-called green or renewable energy token ICOs have gone public, generating significant expectations. However, lacking tangible assets of real-world application, many of these tokens turn out to be short-term profit schemes for their creators and early investors. Proven track record and experience. Over time, Sustainix Renewable has committed significant time and resources to achieve its current milestone, effectively mitigation the risk commonly associated with early-stage ventures. This reduction in risk stems from the fact that investments made in later stages inherently involve fewer certainties. Notably, Sustainix Renewable has attracted substantial interest by progressing beyond research and development. We are now swiftly approaching the prototype and development stage, with real-world testing and professional reviews expected to take place over the next 2 to 3 years. You can also read their white paper audit details from here. I'm showing you their white paper. SXR Sustainix Renewable Pre-Sale Launch Friday 6 September 2024. Investment is critical to innovation and decentralized finance is a solution. You can also see their contents and you can also read their whole white paper from here. This is an amazing project. Now I am showing you their audit details. Security audit. Ether Authority is a leading smart contract auditing and blockchain services company. The company specializes in securing smart contract-based assets for blockchain businesses. With a focus on automated software verification, Ether Authority aims to address the inherent issues in manual audit processes, significantly reducing security risk in the industry. You can also read their audit details from here. Now back to the website. Here we are, their social platforms like their Telegram community, their Twitter account, their Instagram page, and their YouTube channel. You must join their social platforms and you must join their Telegram community for latest update, and you can also follow them on Twitter. Here you can see their post like we are excited to announce the upcoming pre-sale of SXR tokens scheduled to take place on Friday, September 6, 2024. As I already told you about the pre-sale. Like this, you can see further more posts from here. This is an amazing project. Next we have that how to buy these tokens. To use the Radium Crypto pre-sale checkout, follow these simple steps. Number 1. Navigate to the home page or the SXR pre-sale page on the Sustainix Renewable website. Number 2. Connect your wallet. Click on the Connect Wallet button and select your preferred cryptocurrency wallet. Number 3. Select cryptocurrency. Choose the cryptocurrency you wish to use for the purchase. Number 4. Enter purchase amount. Specify the amount of SXR token you want to buy. Number 5. Confirm purchase. Review your purchase details and confirm the transaction. Number 6. Complete payment. Follow the prompt to complete the payment through your connected wallet. Number 7. Receive tokens. Once the transaction is confirmed, your SXR token will be credited to your wallet at the conclusion of the pre-sale. Next, we have the SXR token phase rollout. You can also read their all token phases from here. Next, we have their official YouTube video. You must watch their video for better understanding. Supply and liquidity. The SXR token is characterized by a capped supply, ensuring that no further token will be created beyond the initial issuance. This policy promotes both scarcity and the maintenance of value for the benefit of token holders. The integrity of value is further upheld by a communal agreement that designates all tokens available in the market to the community. Pre-sale initiatives and decentralized exchanges. Liquidity is secured via private and public pre-sale funds and DEX, thereby granting token holders the liberty and assurance to trade their token with ease and security. Next, we have the SXR tokenomics. You can also see the SXR token total supply. Here you can see their tokenomic circle. DEX allocation 37%, public presale 27%, private presale 1%, research and development 20%, development team 5%, marketing 3%, legal 3%, reward and airdrop 3%, seed funding allocation 1%. Next, we have the important notice, the strong and healthy 60% liquidity. In the ever-evolving realm of initial coin offering, maintaining a solid foundation of token liquidity is critical for the success of any venture. With this objective, 60% of all private and public funds will be directed toward the liquidity pool on decentralized exchanges. This strategic move will grant investors the flexibility to purchase, sell, or exchange token with ease, enhancing the project's visibility and market value. Furthermore, to enhance security of fund, ensuring transparency and provide contributor to confidence against rug pulls, liquidity will be locked. You can also read the liquidity pool and SXR token characteristics from here. Next, we have the SXR tokenomics. SXR serves as the primary token within the Sustainix renewable ecosystem, incentivizing, participating, and fueling the growth of the project. In consultation with our community stakeholder, all available SXR tokens will be allocated to the private presale and public presale. Whatever is remaining will be listed on Uniswap DEX when XSR is launched. That's a total of 68%. The total unlimited supply of only 10 billion token is to stave off deflationary pressure and ensure scarcity through the economic principle of supply and demand. This community-driven concept is testimony to our long-term commitment to ensuring SXR token success. Next, we have their token details. Sustainix Renewable is issuing XXR token through the smart contract system operated by Ethereum. Sustainix Renewable is a registered entity with legal responsibilities and is subject to audit, which will ensure transparency of operation. Like this, you can read their all token details from here. Next, we have their SXR token ERC20 smart contract attributes. To promote transparency, build trust, and ensuring the project success, the development team has dedicated significant time to formulating the SXR token smart contract attributes. You can also read their all smart contract attributes from here. You can also contact them through email. First write your name, then write your last name, then write your email, and then write your message which you want to write, and then click on submit. This is an outstanding project. You can also read their current projects, events, tenders and collabs, and further more information about them from here. This is an outstanding project. I hope you like the video. We will meet in the next video. Bye.